friends, I'm Dexter Java. Today I'm going to assemble this police helicopter. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. Okay, let's get started. Step number 1. On number 1, we need one of this, two of these, and two of these. Okay. Now, put this. There's a blueprint of this. Now we have to put this on this, and then.
Oh, at first it looks like a boat to me.
Yeah. But it's not a boat.
Okay, I can see it's not a boat.
Now, on number 2.
Okay, the step 1
number
has
2,
been done.
Let's put this aside so everyone can take a look.
Okay.
On number 2, we need one of this done. One of this. Two of these. One of this. And one of this. Okay.
Let's look at the blueprint. And the blueprint is saying number 2. Okay.
I'm trying my best to do.
Yeah, of course. It's a little bit hard sometimes because the tiny Legos are there, right? And it's very hard to hold them in your hand.
Not all are small, but some are big. But not too big.
Okay, gotcha.
Now that number 2 is done, we have to start number 3.
Okay, here is the number 3.
We need one of this.
Okay.
One of this. Two of these. One of this. One of this.
So we are just collecting all the parts
One of
which
this.
mentioned in step 3.
And two of these. Yeah, we are doing it.
Okay, great.
Now we have to assemble it. Assemble number 3. There's a blueprint of this.
Okay, here is the blueprint.
Here's the blueprint
How
of
to
this.
attach
How
all
to
the
attach
pieces.
all the pieces.
Great.
We have to put this and this on this and this on this. And
This
then
on top of this.
And then
We have to insert it inside.
we've inserted inside. And
Okay, it exactly looks like this. Wow.
Looks like this. Wow. Now, number 4.
Number 4. Here is the number 4.
On number 4, we need one of this, one of this,
Okay.
one of this,
Let's collect it here.
one of this, one of this.
Just put it near to
Okay.
half-made helicopter. It's okay, just Leave it.
You can do.
Okay, give me. No need. Just let's keep it here because it's a very tiny. Removing is not possible. Just put it here. It's okay. We will use the exactly like this. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now we need 2 of these.
Okay. And here we go.
And then 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these.
Whoa.
1 of this.
So many pieces.
Yeah, that's a
This-
lot of pieces.
Yeah, this time we collect so many. Step 4 has lot of pieces to be assembled.
Okay,
Let's do it one by one.
now this. Now how the blueprint of this
Yeah, okay. It looks like this.
looks like this.
Okay, great.
Okay, now we need this. Then put this on this.
On top of this, do you mean? Okay.
No, put this on this.
Okay, let's put this one top of this. Okay.
And then we have to put this on top of this.
Okay.
And then we need these 2 things here.
Yeah, we need to find it.
So, Z, A, and these 2 things. These 2 blue ones.
Do you want to say something to your friends? Like Lego is super easy.
Lego is super easy.
Yeah, a lot of pieces are there to just assemble. And the good thing is we have the blueprint.
And the good thing is you need a blueprint.
Okay.
That's the most important thing in Lego.
Okay. And what happened if blueprint is not there?
Any numbers get skipped.
Okay, so that means the shape might be different, right? If you don't have the blueprint and you are not following the exact steps in the blueprint, it might be a different shape, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's take a closer look.
We can also make a shapes video.
Yeah, okay. For those who don't know about the shapes, do you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Look at this.
A blueprint of this is so small.
Okay.
It just has 0 numbers.
Okay.
Put this on this,
And then just
and then just
insert it.
insert it. Just
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to put this. Now that number 4 is done, we can start number 5.
Yeah, of course. Number 5 is here.
Why not? Yeah, number 5 is here.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay,
On
let's
those
collect
two
the.
on those 2 cards, number 5 is right here.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Let's collect all the pieces first.
we need 2 of these.
Put it side.
1 of this. 1 of this. 1 of this.
You forget something?
No, I'm finding something. Oh, it's already there.
Already there? You can. Yeah, take this way. Put it here. Yeah, that might be good. Okay.
So everyone can see it.
It's okay. Everyone can see it here also. No problem.
Okay, now we need 1 of this, 3 of these, of this, two of these, one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this. Now let's take number 4 and then start to join number 5.
Okay, so the helicopter stand is get ready, and we put up part of the helicopter on the stand.
There's a blueprint of this. Can you shine the light there?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
here it
And
looks
here
like
we
okay.
need this. Then this. What's that? Oh, this right here. And then we need one of this of those 3 and one of this.
Wow, pieces are too small actually.
No, some are big.
Okay, some are big, but some are very small. It's very hard to hold it in your tiny hands.
No, I have a little big hands.
Okay, you have a little big hand. Okay.
And we have to take the left 2 and put on ease.
Okay.
Then put, and then you know where we have to put this?
Which show me?
This.
What's that? Okay, yeah.
And you know where?
I don't have any idea. Maybe we can check in the blueprint. Okay. In the blueprint it's saying the white one is here, right here. Okay. Right?
Next to this.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to get these. Do you know where this?
What's that? Wow, what it show me nicely. It's the headlight. Looks like a headlight to me. Yeah. Was it a headlight? Yeah, looks like. No.
It's here just for fun.
Okay.
This might be not good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure that you are tied all the pieces nicely.
Okay. Now that this is number 5 is done, we have to start number 6.
Okay.
It looks like this, right? Okay. Now, one of this, one of this, one of this,
So are we on step 6?
one of this, yes. One of this, 2 of these, one of this,
Okay.
one of this, 2 of these, 2 of these, one of this, one of this, shine the light, one of this, and one of this. Okay, now let's
Whoa, so
Get
many
to
pieces this
join.
time, really.
thank you.
What think?
For speaking there's so many pieces.
Wow, that's great.
Okay. Okay, I'm doing this.
And I see in the number 6 we have the policeman too. We have to prepare the policeman
there's
and then
7
friend.
numbers.
Okay.
It's a number 7.
Oh, you are doing number 7? Okay.
That has 9 numbers, and this and these two colors are really easy. They have just 7 numbers.
Okay, and this helicopter has just 7? Okay, let's do.
Yeah. We have to put this.
Well, it looks like a fan or backside fan, I guess. What is that?
Okay. Now. I'm preparing the fan.
Okay. And helicopter do have a fan on top of it, right?
Yeah.
And do you know why helicopter need a fan?
To fly in the sky.
Oh, to fly the sky. So if there is no fan, helicopter will not fly.
No.
Okay.
It can get wings.
Okay.
When I was watching a video, I saw something. A police bicycle.
Police bicycle?
Yes. But
Okay.
there's no such a police bicycle in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have the Lego police bicycle,
I have
right?
2 police trucks.
Okay.
1 police car and this police helicopter.
Okay. Now looks like your fan is ready. Wow, this now looks a real helicopter. Real police helicopter. Yeah. Look at this. A top view. Great.
Okay, now that the helicopter is done, you can take a look at it while I make the driver. You can take a look while I make the driver. On number 7, we need one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this,
Okay.
one of this, one of this,
Wow,
one
step
of this,
step
one
7.
of this.
Step 7 looks very easy. It's just a few pieces to make
4
the.
numbers
Okay.
on the man's blueprint.
Okay.
Okay, on the first number, we need to put this on top of this.
Okay,
So we
let's
put
do
this
that.
on top of the sofa and put this on top of this.
Okay, let's do that.
Now that this is done, we have to put these.
A tiny hand. This looks very tiny to me. Yeah. Maybe the policeman also need a jacket on his chest. What do you think? We have
it's a uniform. It's a khaki uniform.
Okay, it's a uniform. Okay.
Khaki
A
uniform.
khaki uniform we need to.
Khaki means a word for blue.
Okay. So here is the uniform, do you mean?
It's in my community help us video.
Okay. You also make a video on policeman?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's good.
But I did make a video about police car.
Okay. So now let's do it a little bit fast. Yeah.
Let's do it a little bit fast. Now that number 2 is done, we have to start number 3.
Okay.
Come on.
Number 1 and number 2 is done here. We're going to start
to-
3.
We have to put this here around. We have to put this around this.
Okay.
so that he won't move while he's flying the helicopter.
Okay.
Oops. This isn't good. Oops. And we need, without this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Did it.
it may also need a helmet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need this helmet
Okay.
and this radio.
Okay. He need a radio too, right, to communicate with his colleagues?
With the third policeman.
Okay, to communicate with the other policemen. Okay.
That someone that we need to get to work.
Okay. So by that, our helicopter is ready. Let's take a
Let's take a
closer look. Put
closer
it
look.
here in the center on the blueprint. Turn it like this way. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Such a nice helicopter, and the fan is also spinning. Now, do you want to say something to your friends?
If you want to watch this video, go to www.kidstalk.com in www.youtube.com.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.